Happy holidays! Hey guys, welcome back to Bonding with Byrd. This is another day of Vlogmas. I'm Makita.
I'm Byrd.
And today we are gonna find 10 gifts for our loved ones for Christmas!
Oh no.
I just wanted to say it like that. So, you know, we're going through COVID, it's a pandemic, and things are not the same. It's not the same because we can't go shopping. We can't go into the stores. We gotta stay socially distanced. We can't visit our people, so we're going to find some gifts on Amazon.
And the really good part is that instead of just shopping for our loved ones, we want to spread the Christmas joy and try to benefit some folks who really need, some help at this time. So we are going to match dollar for dollar the gifts that we send to our loved ones by donating that same dollar amount to those families that are in need during the COVID season.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so you ready to shop?
Sure.
Don't be a Grinch, okay?
I don't like shopping with you in the store, and I think I may like it even less shopping with you online. Okay? I got the same stuff here that you got over there.
You're annoying. Okay. Let's get my nieces out the way. Sarah and Salia. Let's start with Salia. Salia is 17. I think I'm gonna get her like a camera. Instead of her using her phone all the time, I think it'll be really cute if you get one of them. Remember like how back in the day we used to have like the Polaroid cameras and you pull it out and you blow it?
That's so much better than a phone.
Okay.
They got a lot of these cameras.
They do. Well, this one is $58.
Let me just keep a running tally.
And it's pink. It's hot pink. It's cute.
And how much is it?
Well, it was originally $69.
And
But
it's how much now?
$58.75. Okay, yeah, you keep
Okay,
tabs.
okay, $60. Got it.
right.
We're gonna round up. Okay, let's continue.
Now we have to get Sarah. Sarah's 14. Well, she dances a lot.
Okay.
I think we should
get
get her
get a tap shoes.
maybe like a speaker or something, like a like a Bluetooth speaker, because then she could go anywhere and she could just put her phone to the speaker and then the music will play
She can
anywhere.
dance in the street.
She could
and
dance
make
in the
a
street.
tuition.
She could.
There you are.
You're so annoying.
I was just
It's gonna be
thinking
way
that.
more than tuition. She gonna get that money. That's Beyonce in the making. Okay, I got the Sony Mini Bluetooth.
Huh.
Oh.
Yeah, $12.
No, there it is. Well, that's $58.
I'm just glad that we're not going over our budget here.
Give the extra $8.
She gonna help y'all save a lot of money during this COVID
It's close to
season.
50.
Yeah, got it. $60. Continue.
Okay, now we have to get London out the way. LJ, he's a gamer. He loves games. What about like some headphones or something? Like what's the thing that you put on where you could talk to people? It's like a headboard. Let me see.
Put in Game Man headset, or gaming headset.
Gaming headset.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, why are these so inexpensive? They got one for $59.99. They got $26.97.
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay, red or blue?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. All right. So now we have to get Mateo. Mateo is what, 6? Okay. What can we get him? What do you think of getting him?
You know what? I'm seeing on my phone here, look on there for a microscope. Yeah, Geo something. You see it on there?
Oh, Educational Insight? Oh, that's so cute. It's really popular too. It got over 2,600 ratings.
Okay. All right.
Oh my God.
That's good. How much is it?
This one's $32.99. Oh, it's a talking microscope. Wait, so when you put your eyes on it, does it talk back? Hey, look to the left, look to the right. Oh, that's kind of cool. You like that?
No idea. How much is it?
It's $32.99.
$32.99.
This is cute.
$33. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna add that to it.
And now, a
word from our sponsor.
In this day and age, and I know that the kids are at home trying to learn, and it's difficult for them, but you have to keep their minds sharp, and educational gifts are
priceless.
Priceless. That's good. That's good. Good term for it.
Good term. Good term. Okay. So we got Salia, we got Sarah, we got London, we got Mateo.
Yeah.
We need our nieces.
Oh, the three.
The three
monkeys.
The three stooges.
That's it.
Okay, Sophie. Let's get Sophie something. So how old is Sophie? What, 14?
Sophie is 12,
12?
13. So with Sophie, let's stay along with the educational theme. Let's they have a science kit.
Yeah, science kit. Okay. Kaboom! Guess who stepped in the room? Kaboom! Explosive science lab kit. Oh, their mother's gonna kill them on that. I like that DIY. Make your own rockets. Wait a minute. That's $39.95. It was originally $70. Oh, DIY. Make your own rockets, helium balloons, fizzy bombs, color explosions, and more. And fun chemical reactions.
Even more important, what age?
Ages 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay. Sounds good.
I like that. Okay, so now we have to get
the twins.
Yeah. Yes. So they like to dance too.
Yeah, let's stay in the artistic realm with them.
Okay. What about? Well, since they do videos and they put plays on for us all the time, they're so good. What about a microphone?
Well, wait a minute. Vicky's always using her phone to call us and to videotape stuff and all of that. So why don't we get something that will steady her camera so that she can do this. She can do this.
So like a light,
selfies.
like a light cam.
Yeah.
I mean a light, like a ring light or something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. What about this one? This one is $45.99. It's a 12-inch selfie ring light with a tripod, flexible phone holder, Bluetooth, remote control, 3 different lights. I like this, and they can all kind of use it.
Well, what's the one under there?
$29.99 for the. Okay, $29.99. $29.99. It's 10 inches instead of 12 inches.
Okay. Sounds good. $30.
Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, dimmable beauty ring light for live stream makeup YouTube videos. Oh.
Now I know what to get you.
Okay, Livy. I think we should get Livy a microphone. I think we should get her a microphone. What do you think?
You can do that.
Microphone. Microphone karaoke. Oh, look at this one!
Was it the Bluetooth karaoke thing?
So this one.
They got $20.
Okay, let's go. Well, there's Amazon Choice and then there's Bestseller. The Bestseller has 3,200 comments and reviews. And the Amazon's Choice has 22,000.
They all got the same amount of stars, the $20 one and the $31 one and the $30 one.
I think we should go with $30.99 because it has 22,000 comments. It's Amazon's Choice. It's rose gold and cute.
$30.
Oh, they have all different colors. Wait a minute. They got pink.
We got any aspirin?
Peter,
pick a color.
I'm picking the color. Pink.
Pick a color now.
Pink. I did it.
All right.
I did it. Okay.
Move on.
4-year music accident protection plan for $6.99.
If it don't work, you send it back.
Okay, so we have Vicky, we have Livy. Okay, we have Sophie, we have Sarah, Salia, London. Okay, we gotta get my mom something. My mom's a foodie.
You're on your own with that.
My mom's a foodie. Maybe something. She like hot sauce. What about some truffle hot sauce?
Let me see if I got this right.
You ever heard of
No.
hot sauce?
I gotta make sure I got this right. You went painstakingly through all that stuff for the kids, and you came up with hot sauce for your mother?
Because she's gonna use it.
You can go to the store and get Frank's.
Not truffle.
Oh, my
Truffle
God.
hot sauce.
No. That's what you
Have you had truffle hot sauce?
No.
Have you had truffle hot sauce?
Okay.
No, you haven't.
I promise to stay out of this. You're right. Whatever you get for your mother's fun.
Oh, $34.99. I think this one. White truffle hot sauce, gourmet hot sauce with ripe chili peppers, organic agave nectar, white truffle oil, and press. It's $34.99. Dang, that's expensive. But it's truffle. $34.99. White truffle. Do you know the difference between white truffle and black truffle?
No. The color?
Yes. All right, add it. $34.99.
I feel like I just passed my SATs.
Add it. We're gonna add the truffle.
How much?
$34.99.
$35.
$35, yes. Okay, now we gotta get your sister something. So, Oprah has a favorite list on Amazon now, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know when she was like, Oprah's favorite things! Okay, I'm gonna look up minted lipstick because it actually made Oprah's list of one of her favorite things. Okay, so they have a holiday favorite trio of 3 of the colors, nudes. They got like a pink, they got a blush, they got a caramel color, and it's $40. What do we have next? Gotta get something for the bestie. We have a lot of gadgets, well, she has a lot of gadgets. What about like a portable, what about like a charging port?
Charging station?
Yes, charging station. Thank you. Boom, $40. Hercules. Look at the Lord. You ask, you shall receive. Hercules Tough Charging Station for multiple devices. Boom. Oh, you can charge everything on here. I should get one for myself.
Yeah, I can see her using all 6 of those charging stations
What?
at the same time.
Oh my God. Just think about it. First of all, her and her hubby.
Do me a favor. Don't make me think about it. Just get it.
So that is $39.99. Okay, so we got all 10. You wanna know what our total is? Our total is $393.54.
Tell you what, I'm going to add to that. I feel like we should add to that total and just round it up to $500 and give 10 families $50 gift certificates.
Wait. We have to get something for the judge. Dang. What can we get her? And we're still sticking to the under $50 thing. Okay, what
Might
can
I
we get
suggest what I've gotten her on a number of Christmas occasions? What do you get for the person who has everything? Nothing. No. You actually, she loves McDonald's. Believe it or not, she likes McMuffins in the morning. So I got her a McDonald's gift certificate. And she always appreciated the simple gift. Nobody else usually gives her that. So
I like that. Okay, so a gift certificate.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're done. Okay,
so
make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to donate, that would be nice. Let us know your information down there and we'll let you know where you could donate. Right?
Absolutely. I'm Byrd.
And I'm Makita.
See you next time.
Bye.
Hey, so if you guys want to donate, we have supplied a list of organizations that we think could use a blessing from you. Just check it out down below.